Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
From the forefront of the chest up to the neck of the universal form of the Lord are situated the planetary systems named Janalok and Tapalok, whereas Satyalok, the topmost planetary system, is situated on the head of the form. The spiritual planets, however, are eternal. Many times in these pages we have discussed the spiritual planets situated beyond the material sky, and the description is corroborated in this verse. The word Sanatan is significant. This very idea of eternity is expressed in the Bhagavad Gita, where it is said that beyond the material creation is the spiritual sky, where everything is eternal. Sometimes Satyalok, the planet in which Brahma resides, is also called Brahmlok. But the Brahmlok mentioned here is not the same as the Satyalok planetary system. This Brahmlok is eternal, whereas the Satyalok planetary system is not eternal. And to distinguish between the two, the adjective Sanatan has been used in this case. According to Srila Jiva Goswami, this Brahmlok is the lok or abode of Brahm, or the Supreme Lord. In the spiritual sky, all the planets are as good as the Lord himself. The Lord is all spirit, and his name, fame, glories, qualities, pastimes, etc. are all non-different from him because he is absolute. As such, the planets in the kingdom of God are also non-different from him. In those planets, there is no difference between the body and the soul, nor is there any influence of time as we experience it in the material world. And in addition to there being no influence of time, the planets in Brahmlok, due to being spiritual, are never annihilated. All variegatedness in the spiritual planets is also one with the Lord, and therefore the Vedic aphorism Ekam Vidvitiyam is fully realized in that Sanatan atmosphere of spiritual variegatedness. This material world is only a shadow phantasmagoria of the spiritual kingdom of the Lord, and because it is a shadow, it is never eternal. The variegatedness in the material world of duality, spirit and matter, cannot be compared to that of the spiritual world. Because of a poor fund of knowledge, less intelligent persons sometimes mistake the conditions of the shadow world to be equivalent to those of the spiritual world, and thus they mistake the Lord and his pastimes in the material world to be one with the conditioned souls and their activities. The Lord condemns such less intelligent persons in the Bhagavad Gita. Whenever the Lord incarnates, he does so in his full internal potency, Atma Maya, and less intelligent persons mistake him to be one of the material creations. Srila Sridhar Swami, therefore, rightly commenting on this verse, says that the Brahmlok mentioned here is Vaikuntha, the kingdom of God, which is Sanatana, or eternal, and is therefore not exactly like the material creations described above. The Virat universal form of the Lord is an imagination for the material world. It has nothing to do with the spiritual world or the kingdom of God.